Vegetables like fruits and their juices have healing properties because of the fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals they have. For constipation, vegetables are an excellent source of minerals and fiber. In addition, there are specific vegetables and their juices that stimulate the colon become more active. The benefits of vegetables' juices are absorbed quickly into your bloodstream. As a result, your cells are provided quickly with nutrients that feed them and that wash away waste. Juices give you the opportunity to get quick relief from various body conditions such as constipation. Juices move into your colon quickly to cleanse it and to activate peristaltic action. Eating and drinking vegetables and their juices provide you with minerals and nutrients that build your blood, tissue, bones, and cells. It is minerals that build every part of your body. It is minerals that keep your body's pH at the required level. It is minerals that keep your body alkaline by neutralizing body acids. It is minerals that build your colon wall tissues and cells so your colon can perform those activities that prevent constipation. Keep in mind that some natural recipes for clearing constipation require drinking vegetable juices that are bitter or have a strong taste. As you will find, some of the vegetable juices taste good and some don't. Remember, you are dealing with a condition that needs clearing, and that what you drink for this is not for pleasure. As you drink some of these vegetable juices, you may find that you like certain ones, and these can become a regular daily or weekly drink. James A. Duke, Ph.D., in his book, The Green Pharmacy, gives the following constipation remedy using rhubarb. Rhubarb has strong laxative action, so it is best to use it with other juices. Here's how you can use this herb. Blend together 3 stalks of rhubarb, without leaves, 1 cuban peso of fresh apple juice, and 1 quart of peeled lemons and 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. This tart drink will help you with your constipation. Drink 1 glass 3 times a day. A smaller quantity of this rhubarb drink would be: blend 3 stalks of rhubarb, 1/4 1/2 peeled lemon, a teaspoon of maple syrup, and 3/4 cup of fresh organic apple juice. You may add more syrup if the taste is too harsh for you. Don't use rhubarb leaves since they contain toxic chemicals. Use rhubarb only raw since it is high in oxalic acid. Use it sparingly and do not cook it. Cooking converts the organic oxalic acid into inorganic oxalic acid. The body does not easily absorb inorganic oxalic, and it forms crystal deposits in the kidney and throughout the body. If you have arthritis or gout, do not use rhubarb. In other articles, I will be discussing the use of other vegetables that provide good constipation relief. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.